In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ad in Chatgpt. If you want a quick way to create ad copy without staring at a blank screen, Chatgpt can make the process much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use a simple prompt to generate an ad with both a headline and a description. First, go to Chatgpt in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main screen where you can start a new conversation. This is where you'll give Chatgpt the instructions for the ad you want it to create. Next, move to the prompt box. This is the text field where you type your request. Think of it as the place where you tell ChatGPT exactly what kind of ad you need. The more specific you are, the better your result will usually be, especially if you include what you sell, the audience you want to reach, and the format you want the ad to follow. Now type in your prompt. For example, you can enter, "I sell burgers," write a 60-character headline, and a 120-character description for an ad targeting busy parents. This works well because it gives ChatGPT 3 important details: the product, the required length, and the target audience. That helps the response stay focused and usable. Once you finish typing your prompt, click the arrow to send it. After you submit it, ChatGPT will process your request and generate the ad copy for you almost immediately. This makes it a useful tool when you need something fast, whether you're creating a social media ad, testing marketing ideas, or drafting promotional copy. When the response appears, ChatGPT will give you the ad right away. In this example, the output includes a headline and a description, separated clearly so it's easy to read and copy. You'll first see the headline. This is the short, attention-grabbing line designed to pull people in quickly. Since the prompt asked for a 60-character headline, ChatGPT will try to keep it concise while still making it appealing to the audience. Then you'll see the description. This part gives a little more detail and supports the headline. Because the prompt requested a 120-character description, the result should be brief, direct, and suitable for ad formats with limited space. That's all it takes to make an ad in ChatGPT. If you want better results, make sure your prompt is clear and specific before you send it. A small change in wording can lead to much stronger ad copy.